So, my area of expertise is the air pollution. So the smoke exposure, and then that smoke, the mixture is not as well characterized as we thought. That smoke exposure affects people in, of course, the immediate proximity. But you think about the contribution to the regional air pollution is actually quite significant. It's not just the limited respiratory system. The cardiovascular, now we have evidence to show those exposure is linked to reduced birth weight and some neurological development outcomes as well. Those evidence are emerging, but it's not, quite strong there to have a causal we think causal relationship.